Good afternoon. Welcome to the forecast discussion for June 8th, 2014. Of course, it's a Sunday. It's currently 3:38 p.m. and it's been a few days since I've made a video. Been battling some stuff. I wish I was a doctor. I don't know what it was, but it was nasty and it was a pain in the neck. But we're back, and temperatures this afternoon are pretty much near normal where they should be. Lower to mid 80s throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Winds are coming in from the south and southeast, anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour. Overall, not too bad for this time of year, again. And pretty much what we see today is what we're going to be seeing for much of this week in terms of temperatures. As far as precipitations on the other hand, well, that's something to definitely keep an eye on as we move forward. I'll explain exactly what to expect. Don't worry, won't be a washout this week, but we'll certainly be on our toes, especially from tomorrow on through Thursday. On the latest surface map, you can clearly see high pressure holding up a fight here, keeping conditions dry from eastern Pennsylvania on east through Connecticut into New England, with an area of low pressure in the Ohio River Valley approaching the region that will bring the threat for showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow afternoon. I think for the most part during the morning hours will remain dry, but tomorrow afternoon, watch out for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. On the latest radar, you can see those showers and thunderstorms approaching, but they're starting to collapse as they move into this high pressure system that's locked in just off the coast. So watch these showers and thunderstorms weaken as they move east. Can't rule out an isolated shower this evening over east central Pennsylvania and northeastern Pennsylvania as these showers and thunderstorms lift north and east. But the reason why they're going to collapse is that they're moving away from the best lifting and dynamics that is driving these showers and thunderstorms in the first place. On the latest visible satellite picture, you can see clouds are increasing this afternoon and will continue to increase tonight, allowing temperatures to only fall into the lower to mid 60s for lows. Of course, in your urban areas and along the coast, you'll be around 65. Over the interior, look for about 61, 62 degrees. On the water vapor satellite picture, you can kind of see how the whole pattern is shaping up for this upcoming week. Once again, we have another powerful upper level low setting up around the Canadian Maritimes, blocking up the whole pattern. This is basically a stop sign or traffic cop, and it's not allowing these disturbances, this one here, this one here, this one here, this one right here, this one right here, to freely move across North America. They move through the West Coast, they move through the Pacific Northwest, the Rockies, into the northern plains to get you severe weather, and then they slow to a crawl, and as they approach the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, they start to weaken and phase out as they run into this large block. And that's basically the pattern for this upcoming week, is that these disturbances are going to continue to run right up into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. They'll start to weaken and collapse as they do so, as they run into this upper level low, and as a result, you end up with the threat for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms each afternoon, but not a washout. So you'll get a shower or thunderstorm for about 30 minutes, and then you're done. That's pretty much this upcoming week in a nutshell. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance. We're going to use the European model guidance this time. And again, we saw this morning, high pressure and control. Here comes our disturbances all lining up, and here's our upper level low. For Monday, tomorrow, we have one disturbance that's approaching the region, widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Notice at the mid-levels of the atmosphere, this is 700 millibars. We have plenty of dry air mixed in here, and we're not really dealing with a strong moisture feed. Notice we don't have any strong feed coming from the Gulf of Mexico. It's pretty much scattered and broken up. So we're not looking at any large precipitation events, no large rainfall events, just scattered showers and thunderstorms. Widely scattered at that, and in some cases, isolated depending on the location of these upper level disturbances. So again, for Monday afternoon, temperatures warm up into the upper 70s to lower 80s, mostly due to a southeasterly wind. Temperatures will be pretty much near to slightly below normal this upcoming week, and then we'll have to deal with a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. The thunderstorms will be capable of reaching severe levels at times, extremely isolated but still potential. And that means heavy downpours, frequent lightning, large hail, and of course, wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Again, for Tuesday, an isolated threat, But again, the key point here is isolated. Other than that, look for scattered to variable cloud cover. Temperatures in the mid 60s for lows, lower to mid 80s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, upper 70s to lower 80s in the New York City metropolitan area. Rinse and repeat for Wednesday and Thursday. Now on Friday, we have one cold front that's going to move through in the morning with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Notice we have more moisture in the atmosphere this time. Once that cold front moves through in the evening, high pressure will take control. And then for Friday night and Saturday, high pressure returns just in time. Clear skies return just in time. And next weekend is going to look like a carbon copy of this one, with temperatures in the lower to mid 80s throughout the entire region for highs, mid 60s for lows, and dry conditions. So you see the type of pattern we're in here, which really isn't all that bad. You deal with the showers and thunderstorms during the week when you're at work anyway. And then in the weekend, when you're heading down to the shore, high pressure's in control. You really can't ask for a better setup. And when we look at the next couple of days thereafter on the European guidance, we pretty much lock into the same pattern again. We briefly have a ridge that tries to develop over the eastern United States as the negative NAO pattern, that trough in the northern Atlantic, reloads. And by the time we get to the middle of next week, we have that trough returning over the northern Atlantic, or northwestern Atlantic really, and the Canadian Maritimes. That forces a backdoor cold front to the south, and we get rather chilly weather once again. So basically, if you like the pattern that we're in now, it's not going anywhere. It's going to be here for some time. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NYNJPA Weather. And you can follow NYNJPA Weather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, and let's see, where else?